National Electrical Code, or NEC, Section 680.6 states that receptacles and lighting fixtures must not be installed within 10 feet of the inside walls of a pool. Additionally, NEC Section 680.11 specifies that lighting fixtures should not be installed less than 12 feet above the maximum water level. The proximity of electrical appliances like dishwashers and refrigerators to a pool's water edge creates a notable electrical hazard. If there's a water leak or spill, the water might touch the appliances, leading to malfunctions or even electrocution. Lights and fans installed below the water line pose a significant safety risk. If these lights aren't properly grounded or sealed, they could become a source of electrical shock. The NEC mandates that all electrical installations near swimming pools undergo inspection by a qualified electrician. This inspection ensures that the installation adheres to all relevant codes and standards. Planning is essential when installing a swim-up bar in a new pool to ensure compliance with electrical codes and safety regulations. Dishwashers and refrigerators should be moved to a location at least 10 feet away from the water's edge. Lights and fans should be removed from any area below the waterline. A qualified electrician should inspect the electrical installation to ensure it meets all codes and standards. Pool owners should be informed about the electrical hazards present and take necessary precautions. Firstly, understand the distances mandated by the NEC. The 10-foot perimeter around the pool is a critical safety zone where electrical receptacles and lighting must be restricted. This minimizes the risk of electrical shock due to accidental contact with water. Secondly, the height requirement for lighting fixtures, set at a minimum of 12 feet above the maximum water level, is designed to prevent fixtures from falling into the pool or becoming submerged, thereby avoiding electrical hazards in the water. Thirdly, consider the grounding and sealing of any electrical equipment used near the pool. Proper grounding ensures that any stray electrical current is safely directed to the ground, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Sealing electrical components protects them from water damage and prevents electrical leakage. Fourthly, ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, play a crucial role in electrical safety around pools. GFCIs are designed to quickly cut off power when they detect a ground fault, which is an unintended electrical path to the ground. This rapid response can prevent serious electrical shocks. Fifthly, routine inspections by qualified electricians are vital. These inspections help identify potential electrical hazards and ensure that all electrical installations meet the necessary safety standards. Sixthly, pool owners should be educated about the electrical hazards associated with their pool and the importance of taking precautions. This includes avoiding the use of electrical appliances near the pool, keeping electrical cords away from the water, and knowing what to do in the event of an electrical emergency. Seventhly, remember that the NEC is a comprehensive set of standards designed to ensure electrical safety. Adhering to the NEC requirements is not just a matter of compliance, it's a matter of protecting lives. Eighthly, when planning any new construction or renovation involving a pool, it's essential to consult with a qualified electrician early in the process. This will help ensure that the electrical installation is safe, compliant, and meets the specific needs of the pool and its surroundings. Ninthly, the location of electrical panels and other electrical equipment should be carefully considered. These components should be placed in areas that are protected from water damage and easily accessible for maintenance and repairs. Tenthly, any underwater lighting should be installed and maintained by a qualified professional. Underwater lights must be specifically designed for submersion and properly sealed to prevent water from entering the fixture. In addition, all metal parts of the pool, including ladders, diving boards, and handrails, should be properly bonded to create an electrically safe environment. Bonding ensures that all metal parts are at the same electrical potential, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Furthermore, it is important to consider the use of low-voltage lighting options for pool areas. Low-voltage lighting reduces the risk of electrical shock because it operates at a lower voltage than standard lighting systems. When installing any electrical equipment near a pool, it is important to use only equipment that is specifically designed for use in wet locations. This equipment is typically marked with a wet location or suitable for wet locations label. It is crucial to regularly inspect all electrical equipment around the pool for signs of damage, such as cracked or frayed wires, loose connections, or corroded parts. Any damaged equipment should be repaired or replaced immediately. Pool covers can also help to reduce the risk of electrical hazards by preventing water from coming into contact with electrical equipment. However, it is important to ensure that the pool cover is properly installed and maintained. In addition, it is crucial to educate all pool users about the potential electrical hazards and the importance of following safety precautions. This includes teaching children not to touch electrical equipment while they are in or around the pool. Pool owners should also have a plan in place for dealing with electrical emergencies, such as knowing how to shut off the power to the pool and how to call for help. Additionally, any repairs or modifications to the electrical system should be performed by a qualified electrician who is familiar with the NEC requirements for swimming pools. This will help to ensure that the work is done safely and in compliance with all applicable codes. The dishwasher and refrigerator must be relocated to ensure they are at least 10 feet from the water's edge. This is a critical safety measure to prevent electrical hazards. The lights and fan installed below the water line need to be removed immediately. Submerged electrical fixtures are extremely dangerous and violate safety codes. A qualified electrician should be consulted to conduct a thorough inspection of the entire electrical installation. This inspection will verify that the installation meets all applicable codes and standards. The pool owner must be informed about the significant electrical hazards associated with the existing installation. They need to understand the risks and take immediate action to rectify the situation. Educate the pool owner about the importance of regular electrical inspections and maintenance. This will help prevent future safety issues and ensure the continued safe operation of the pool. Consider installing additional safety features such as emergency shut-off switches. These switches allow for quick disconnection of power in case of an emergency. Ensure that all electrical panels and junction boxes are properly sealed and protected from water intrusion. This will help prevent corrosion and electrical shorts. Provide clear and visible safety signage around the pool area. These signs should warn users about the potential electrical hazards and provide instructions on what to do in an emergency. Regularly test the GFCI outlets to ensure they are functioning correctly. GFCIs are essential for preventing electrical shocks, but they can fail over time. Document all electrical work performed on the pool, including inspections, repairs, and modifications. This documentation will provide a record of the electrical system's history and help ensure ongoing safety. Before using the pool, visually inspect the pool and surrounding area for any potential hazards, such as damaged equipment, loose wires, or standing water. If any hazards are found, address them immediately. Keep all electrical cords and devices away from the pool and surrounding area. Electrical cords should never be allowed to come into contact with water. Avoid using electrical appliances near the pool, such as radios, televisions, or power tools. These appliances can pose an electrical shock hazard if they come into contact with water. Be aware of the signs of an electrical shock, such as muscle spasms, difficulty breathing, or loss of consciousness. If someone is experiencing an electrical shock, do not touch them. Instead, turn off the power to the pool and call for help immediately. Learn CPR and be prepared to administer it in case of an electrical emergency. CPR can help save someone's life if they have stopped breathing or their heart has stopped beating. Encourage all pool users to take a pool safety course. These courses teach people how to prevent accidents and respond to emergencies. Promote responsible pool use and discourage risky behavior, such as running, diving, or swimming under the influence of alcohol or drugs. By following these recommendations, you can help ensure the safety of everyone who uses the pool. Remember, electrical safety is a serious matter and should never be taken lightly. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about the electrical system of your pool. The primary goal is to create a safe environment for all pool users. Compliance with electrical codes and adherence to safety guidelines are crucial for achieving this goal. Take the necessary steps to protect yourself and others from electrical hazards around the pool. The information provided is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician for specific recommendations and to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and standards. Ignoring these safety guidelines can have serious consequences, including electrical shock, injury, and even death. Take the time to educate yourself and others about electrical safety around pools. By working together, we can create a safer environment for everyone. The electrician should verify that the electrical panel has adequate overcurrent protection for all circuits serving the pool area. This includes circuit breakers or fuses that are properly sized to protect the wiring and equipment. The electrician should also check the grounding system to ensure that it is properly installed and connected. A properly grounded electrical system provides a safe path for electrical current to flow in the event of a fault, reducing the risk of electrical shock. The electrician should inspect all wiring and connections to ensure that they are in good condition and properly insulated. Damaged or exposed wiring can pose a serious electrical shock hazard. The electrician should verify that all electrical equipment is properly labeled and identified. This will help to ensure that the equipment is used safely and correctly. The electrician should provide the pool owner with a written report of the inspection findings and any recommendations for corrective action. This report will serve as a record of the electrical system's condition and any necessary repairs or modifications. The pool owner should keep the electrical system well maintained and have it inspected regularly by a qualified electrician. This will help to prevent electrical hazards and ensure the continued safe operation of the pool.